Welcome to the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Trail Boss. The Trail Boss is powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the truck: power windows, locks, and mirrors. Drivability dial with push-button 4x4 automatic headlights and fog lights. Truck does have the blacked out bow tie in the center. Column shifter and push-button ignition. Nice large touchscreen. We have OnStar navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Dual zone climate control with heated with heated seats. You have your integrated chiller braking system, USB ports, as well as even an outlet up front. All black interior with Bose audio, as well as our leather heated seating in the front of the LT Trail Boss. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Silverado Trail Boss LT. 18-inch wheel and tire package, beautiful black alloy wheels with the Goodyear Wrangler Autotrac all-terrain tires. We have color-matched door handles with keyless entry on the front driver and passenger door. Z71 branding on the front fender. Trail Boss does come with the factory 2-inch lift kit as well, so you get that larger stance. LED daytime running lamps, fog lights, turn signals, as well as Z71 branded blacked out grille and red tow hooks. Making our way to the back, rear tinted privacy windows. Trail Boss badging on the rear. Color-matched rear bumper with dual chrome exhaust tips. Trailer tow package, LED brake lights, and the multi-pro tailgate available on the Silverado. Jumping into the interior here, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready with in-seat storage feature. Sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top, and a solid roof with LED lighting. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Trail Boss. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.